perfect day in Denmark would be exploring the rich culture, history of the country's capital and hopping onto the Tivoli's most popular ride, the wooden roller coaster. We took a flight from Bergen and now finally one vlog later we have made a successful landing in Copenhagen. If you haven't seen that vlog, I have mentioned the link in the description for you to ignore it. Checked into our hotel and watched the beautiful sun setting down. I think today has been really good for us. Day 9 fading out and day 10 fading in. Good morning again. We know it's the same drill. Before we head out, we need some fuel for our body, which is a continental breakfast included in our booking. We quickly had our meal and headed out. Here you will see people literally dressed in their formals going to their office casually on a bicycle. First stop is one of the most famous tourist destination here, which is the Little Mermaid. This statue was a gift to the city by Carl Jacobsen, who was the owner of the famous Carlsberg beer. And look at the crowd going crazy for the perfect shot. We are going to see it from that side also when we go on our Canal Cruise later in the day. Reaching our next stop to admire the beautiful architecture of the city center. Let's start the walking tour with this beautiful Frederik's church, also known as Marble Church. It's so huge and majestic and surrounded by so many interesting things as well. This one is Queen,
Crown Prince, younger son, royal guests.
And this is a royal guest.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Soon, whatever places we are seeing right now, we are going to see it from the waters as well, as I mentioned in our Canal Cruise. So stay tuned for that.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Next up, we are going to one of the most iconic places of Copenhagen. Originally, it was a commercial port where ships from all over the world would dock. Today, the beautiful old houses have been renovated, and as you walk beside the canal, you will hear good music, lots of cafes, and people enjoying the relaxed atmosphere and great food. One of the many things to do here is to take the Canal Cruise, which we are going to do next. It passes by city's most famous landmarks, some of which we saw closely while on our walking tour.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade away as you fade away. As you fade away.
Well, welcome aboard this canal tour towards Taiwan for the next 3 days. That's awesome. Straight to kill, straight to Taiwan. Just kidding. Welcome aboard this beautiful canal tour for Copenhagen's Nyhavn canals. Let's introduce ourselves first. In this beautiful corner, we have a very handsome man, a very charming man, a very sexy man. Oh yeah, it's gonna go down. This is Captain Kip. You can say hello, Captain Kip. Hello, Captain Kip. Almost as charming and sexy as your captain is your tour guide, Tony. Am I sexy? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first grid, so good luck. This tour will last you 1 hour. That's what we need 19. Are you guys ready? We have the Paper Island. It looks like Toblerone chocolate buildings. The reason about $1 million for one crappy apartment. So if you have $5.5 million, please contact me. Love you. This universe, it is the monuments of monuments. One of the 7 wonders of the world. It is the crown jewel of all crown jewels. It is the Little Mermaid. Let's try that again. It's the Little Mermaid! Yay! Still alive. And all these people you see around her, this is Homeland Security. And the guy in the red shirt on your right side, that's the ringleader. Facade of the building is actually leaning a bit towards the water, and that is to create this diamond shine effect when the sun is out. Blocks building, this is the Danish Architect Center, and inside the Danish Architect Center you will also find a fitness center, a rated hub, a restaurant, apartments. If you look upstairs, guys, you can see an old cave painting from 10,000 BC. Very primitive culture, very primitive culture. On your left side, we have Holmen's Church, built by King Christopher IV. And this is where our current queen, Margaret, got married with Prince Frederik. We laughed, we cried, but most importantly we smiled.
It is almost 5 p.m. and we are almost done with our day. Last stop is the Tivoli Garden. If you don't know what it is the city's amusement park and an international attraction. There's so much to do here for both kids and adults. You can book the individual rides here or take a package as well. We are going for the roller coaster ride which goes by the name Demon, and at this point of time we are very nervous. Let's see how it goes.
few moments later.
Okay, so contrary to what you saw in the pic, the ride was really nice. It was fast and it was thrilling. But now the day 10 is coming to an end. So is our Europe trip for now. If you haven't watched my previous vlogs, we started our journey from Finland. We visited Estonia, Sweden, Norway and had so much fun. Do watch them and hope it will help you with your Europe itinerary. See you at our next destination soon. Till then, thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please. Bye bye.
Please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million.
And hold me in your